box today. We got a few ingredients which you're gonna need to use, which is important. All right. Yeah, we got a few ingredients. So the first ingredients from the medical box, some sea salt. Don't use too much if you have high blood pressure, cause you know what I mean, them things are not good for your high blood pressure, guys. Salt, have to be careful. Into the medical box we have where it is, Jamaican nutmeg egg. We're gonna put a pinch of it inside of it. That is from the medical box, guys. All right, this is Chef Ricardo medical box. So these are certain kind of ingredients I use when I'm making certain kind of things. I want to take them out certain time of the year. The real authentic Jamaican green plantain porridge. It's coming up to winter, so you need some comfortable food. Here it is, Jamaican mixed spice. Gonna put a little bit. I think that's a little bit too much, Chef Ricardo. Yeah, a little bit too much. So what to do? Let's remove some. Simple. You know what I mean? Remove some. Mix out the rest. You know what I mean? Jamaican cinnamon powder. This is from the medical center. All right, just a pinch. You don't want to put too much inside of it because you don't want to overdo it. All right. Now we need to get one more ingredients from the medical box. All right. This one is Jamaican vanilla. All right. 1 tablespoon of the Jamaican vanilla. This is from the medical box. Yeah. This is powerful, guys. I grew up on them thing in Jamaica still. Our grandparents trick us. So you go. They trick us, you know. Our great grandparents has trick us. You know what I mean? They leave this kind of legacy for us and put us in a big problem right now. Right now, our grandparents trick us. We're gonna put some Jamaican sweet condensed milk in it. Not too much, roughly about 1.5 tablespoons inside of it. I don't want to use too much. Yes, guys, our grandparents has trick us. They leave this kind of legacy on us. And now Chef Ricardo is here to break it. You know what I mean? In a different kind of way, but some of it sometimes we have to go for it, innit? Look at that. That's how my grandmother taught me to make it. You know what I mean? But my grandmother would sit down in the kitchen and grate her one. I use blender on mine. Quicker. Oh, you like the pot? Yeah, can't get it to buy. Jamaican Dutchie. Here it is. Very nice, but a little bit of it's a little bit of your favorite, guys. Not too much. All right, now before you drink porridge, I'll tell you the best thing what you need to do. My advice to any one of you guys, okay, is get yourself a cup. All right? Get yourself a cup and get this apple cider vinegar. That's Chef Ricardo advice. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water, and that will help to manage your blood pressure, the blood sugar level. All right, and that will help you to fill up your stomach so you don't drink too much. All right, that has finished. Look at that, guys. Yeah. All right, now that looking excellent. All right, let's put away the medical box. All right, this is the medical box, guys. Every one of us have one of this at home. You know what I mean? Where you store your little bits and pieces, you know? That's your medical box. You know what I mean? When you are cooking for your husband, you go into your medical box and you take out your little things and what you're gonna use. You know? If you do your little work. Yeah, so. All right, good vibes. So this can turn off. We don't need that anymore. What we're going to do now is shear up the amazing Jamaican porridge. All right? Yeah. Yeah, man, good vibes. So, let's put this right here. And let's move this from right here. And we're going to put this back over here in the office. All right? Get that big, little bit, small, medium one. Yeah. You know? Look at that. That is fantastic and amazing. All right? Yeah. Let's pour it out to you guys. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving Day to every one of you guys who are watching. All right, this is for winter. Some people want comfortable food. Some of the men were lazy and like going to the kitchen. Make something for your missus. Comfortable food. Some of the ladies are lazy. Yeah. Make your husband some comfortable food. This is comfortable food, guys. Soup and them thing there. Comfortable food. Sometimes you need to have a little bit of soup, a little bit of porridge. The winter is coming ahead. We are supporting back to school parents. Big up on ourselves every time from Chef Ricardo. You know it go already. We got quick recipe we'll be sharing with you to all of the parents and back to school coming up very soon. All right, look at that. You can't get this to buy anywhere in the supermarket. You have to make this one at home. Just remember, supermarket doesn't sell these things. You have to make it at home. You can buy the ingredients from them, but then don't make it and sell it like this. So you have to make it at home. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.